Hello and welcome back to Warlock Logan, and today it's me, Mario, and these are my YouTuber glasses. I thought I might try something different for a while, and we are opening 3 Hot Wheels. So we've got the 2021 Ford Bronco in this dark red, which I actually quite like. Well, for me it's dark red because I've got the tinted glasses on. And it actually looks quite good. It looks like it's about to do some off-roading or something. Quite a nice car, to be honest. Now we've got the 2005 Ford Mustang. And this is actually a pretty good one, to be honest. It's a nice Hot Wheel.
That's a sponsorship.
Hot Wheels. Even though this video is not sponsored by Hot Wheels. Actually, every single video I've done, including Hot Wheels, have not been sponsored.
What's the last one?
The Mazda RX-3. It's a nice rally, or at least I think it's a rally. It's got the nice racing stripes. That's all the Hot Wheels done. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. Bye!